my friends die in horror, crying as they were all slain. I heard their final moments, calling their captain in vain. Look what you turned me into. Look what we've become.
Enough.
All of the pain that I've been through, haven't I suffered enough? You didn't stop when I begged you, told me to close my heart. You said the world was dark. Didn't you say that ruthlessness is mercy upon art?
All right. Please. After everything you've done,